Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Kelly. My name is Kelly and I'm here to learn how to cook. Today, I have Ed Wickman. He's a chef here at Black Oak Casino, and he's going to teach me how to cook on our Hell's Kitchen cookware.
I gotta ask you, the first thing we're gonna cook is quinoa. Have you ever cooked that, Kelly?
No, I've never cooked quinoa. This looks like coarsely ground coffee, so.
Yeah, it's kind of like rice. So we're gonna do a little quinoa pilaf, and then we'll pan-sear some salmon, and then we're gonna make a vinaigrette. Have you ever made a vinaigrette?
Never.
Have you ever pan-seared salmon?
I have not.
Okay, how hard could it be? It's gonna be real simple.
Okay.
So we already preheated the pan a little bit.
All right.
So you wanna go ahead and we're gonna start off by just putting some flavor into that pan with a little garlic and shallots.
All of it?
How much you think you wanna put in there? It's your choice.
I mean, I do like garlic.
Deal what you feel.
What do you put the shallots in first?
Putting a little oil.
Oh.
You gotta make that choice. It doesn't matter, it's your choice.
I have no idea what I'm doing. How many?
You could put some in the pan, some on the table. It works good.
Don't worry, I've already done it.
Is that enough?
I don't know.
All right, you gotta shake the pan around a little bit.
Oh,
Shake it
oh.
so it doesn't burn. There you go.
Oh.
Perfect. It's like you're making popcorn.
I'm spilling the broth.
It smells like success.
Ooh, it smells like garlic.
Okay, so now you got that beautiful flavor cooking in there, toasting in the oil. Now you're gonna add the quinoa.
That's this?
Yep, that's a coffee ground looking stuff.
Okay, all of it?
Yep.
Oh.
So always when you cook quinoa, it's similar to rice. You use 2 parts liquid to 1 part quinoa.
Okay. Is this minute quinoa? Because that's all I know how to make.
See how it's getting coated right there?
Yes.
So now you're cooking that, you're toasting that a little bit, which brings out the flavors a little further.
Oh.
Right, so now you're gonna add the liquid, and we already pre-measured that out to 2 to 1.
Whoa!
Yeah. Don't be afraid of a little sizzle. So now you got the garlic, the shallots, the toasted quinoa, little vegetable stock. And now we're just gonna cover it and let that simmer. And so while that's simmering, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna start to pan-sear the salmon.
All right.
So the salmon, we get a nice, really hot pan. This is a beautiful saute pan. What is this, Hell's Kitchen cookware? Yeah, this is really nice. So we're gonna get a really hot pan, and then we have some beautiful king salmon. So we're just gonna cook 1 piece for now to demonstrate it.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to get in the driver's seat. So you come over here.
Oh no.
All right, there's a really hot pan.
Okay.
So you're gonna take a little bit of oil, put a little bit of oil in the pan. It's
This?
in that, yep, that's it right there. You hear that?
Yeah.
So now you're just gonna take a piece of salmon.
Doesn't matter which one?
You pick whichever one you think looks the best, and then you're gonna just lay it down in that oil.
Okay, I like this one.
There you go. Yeah, get right in there.
Whoa.
You go. Yeah. So now we're gonna just let that simmer. We're gonna go ahead and make the vinaigrette. You're gonna go ahead and combine 2 things that don't combine, oil and vinegar. And you're gonna use an emulsing agent, which is this mustard. So go ahead and put the mired lemon juice in the bowl. Perfect. Now go ahead and put a spoonful of mustard in the bowl.
This is the mustard?
Yep.
Now, what does an emulsing agent do?
It emulsifies. So it combines these 2 liquids that don't normally combine, and it puts them all together. It's kind of like a mayonnaise.
Okay.
So now you have the mustard, the lemon juice. Now you're gonna pour some pear vinegar in there.
How much?
A scotch.
I don't know what
A
that
little
means.
more. Yeah, that's about a scotch, my size. That's your mixture. You want to take a little bit of this agave, put a little bit in that, because that's going to sweeten up the vinaigrette a little bit.
Oh.
Sweeten it up a little more.
Yeah, I
Not
like
that
it
sweet.
Oh no.
Okay. So now let's grab some of your shallots.
What's a shallot?
That's that little onion over there that's diced.
This one?
Yeah, put a little shallot in there. Everybody likes a little onion in their vinaigrette. Perfect. So now you're gonna take this whip, or whisk, whatever you wanna call it, and go ahead and start mixing all that. Okay, I'm gonna help you out here, and I'm just gonna slowly drizzle the olive oil. So you go real slow. No, you don't go slow. I'm drilling. You go fast.
I go fast.
Right, because we're
you go
emulsifying the liquid.
slow. Okay.
And then I drizzle in the olive oil. Normally you go about 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar.
Okay.
I usually go a little less oil because I like my vinaigrettes to have a little zing.
Am I going fast enough?
Oh, you're going perfect.
Okay.
I swear you've done this before.
My arms are already tired. Is this done?
It was done until you said your arm's tired, and I wanted you to go further. All right, go ahead. Now you want to season it.
Okay.
A little salt.
Oh, that was a chunk. Pinch of this?
Yeah.
What's this?
It's a ground tricolor pepper.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Fancy.
So now give it a little more stir.
I'm gonna switch hands.
That looks perfect. All right, so now you got to taste it.
Okay.
It's the most important tool you have is your palate. So tell me what you think.
Tastes pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
It's got to be pretty amazing. What does it need?
I have no idea.
Oh, it tastes amazing. I can't believe that's the first vinaigrette you've ever made. That's actually impressive. Okay, so now going back to the seared salmon,
Okay.
we're ready to flip that salmon. Go ahead and use the tongs. Hold the pan with the other one, that keeps it safe.
Oh.
There you go. Perfect. See all that coloring in there?
Yeah?
That's a good thing.
Okay.
When it browns, it's called Maillard browning, so the proteins are browning, and that creates flavor.
Oh.
So now we're just searing the other side, and we have the quinoa going. Quinoa is going to take about 10 minutes in total. We have your amazing Meyer lemon and pear vinaigrette, and so now we just have to wait for the quinoa to finish.
Okay.
So we have these amazing baby bell peppers here, and so what I want you to do is you're gonna cut some of these up for the salad.
How do you get the seeds out?
So now cut it in half. There you go. So now you can pull those out with your hand, or you can trim it out. Voila. That's a French for I did it the right way. Voila. So go ahead and dice those up a little bit. Cut them up any way you want. It's your salad, it's your show.
Okay.
It's all about you.
What does dice mean?
Dice would be like a square shape.
Okay.
That's actually julienne, which is French for matchstick.
Is that square?
Sorta. It's triangle right now.
Is that square?
Yeah, that's awesome. So now do the rest like that. That's perfect. You're cooking them perfect. You're cutting them the exact same size.
You know? Professional. Uh-oh. I messed that one up.
No, it's good.
Are these spicy?
Oh, no. No, these are sweet. Actually, these have 4 times the amount of vitamin C than an orange.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
So we
they're
won't
really-
get scurvy.
Really healthy for you. Don't get scurvy. When I cook, I try to
Concern.
cook in a way that causes my guests to not get scurvy.
Yeah, that's, you know, it's the
It's
only
good that
thing
you
can do.
identified that.
Yeah.
So now we have some beautiful color for the salad, and then we have the lettuce ready to go, the vinaigrette. We're just waiting for the quinoa to finish off.
What were we going to do with those little carrots? Are those carrots?
Oh yeah, they were supposed to go in the quinoa.
Forget it. No one likes carrots.
Yeah, I never liked carrots. See these little guys, these cherry tomatoes? I actually picked these out of my garden this morning.
Oh. You cut them long ways or?
Or sideways? Yes. It's your choice.
Hamburger style.
People make up too many rules in cooking. Have some fun with it. That's perfect. So we forgot to add the carrots at the beginning of this pilaf,
Okay.
but we have a few more minutes, so we can go ahead and add these because they're diced really small. You did an amazing job dicing those.
Turns out we do like carrots.
Oh yeah. So we just stir those in. And we're gonna just, boy, that pilaf that's close. Just got a few more minutes on that. All right, Kelly, one of the big questions people always ask about cooking is, what about that big flame chefs always do? Well, the way that those big flames happen is you actually get oil in the pan like we're cooking this salmon in, and we add, when you add a little liquid like white wine or water or anything, it causes the water droplets to pick up and hit the flame, and it'll flame up. You want to try it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Because a little bit of white wine in there would be nice. So,
Okay.
so go ahead and
How much?
just
Oh,
we need to
I'm
take the
scared.
pan off of. What you do is you take the pan off of the flame first.
Oh no.
Pour a little wine in on the salmon. No, take it off. There you go. Now pour a little wine in there.
In the pan or on the salmon?
A little on the salmon and let it go onto the pan. There you
Oh,
go. Now
no.
put the pan back on.
Oh no. Ah! Oh my God.
There you
Get
go.
the fire department.
Are you sure you haven't cooked before?
Yeah.
That was perfect. So now we gave it
That
a
was terrifying.
little bit of wine on the salmon, that seared salmon. It's looking pretty tasty right there. So now we can turn the heat off because that's pretty much done. Go ahead and put the salmon on the plate. We're gonna start plating up.
Okay.
So put that on the plate, wherever you think it should go. Oh, you're gonna put it there?
Is that?
Okay. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't know, man.
We gotta have fun with this. No, there's no wrong way. That's great. That was a perfect decision. So now what I want to do is put a little bit of this pilaf. You smell that? Smell that. It's amazing, right?
Yeah.
That nuttiness. So now you're gonna go ahead and just spoon a little bit of that pilaf onto the pan, wherever you think it should go. Is that the portion you want? It could be. That's artistic right there. Nice. That looks beautiful. So now you got to build your salad.
Okay.
So let's put a little bit of lettuce on there. Nice.
That's too much.
You're the chef. You put on the perfect amount. That's
Okay.
nice.
What are these?
Those are green onions. You could put some of those on, and then you have the tomatoes and peppers over here that you cut up so nicely. Oh yeah, nice technique. Okay, so you plated that perfectly,
Okay.
the way most people do it. I'm going to show you a little chef trick here, okay?
Okay.
The chef trick is to take it and to bring it together a little bit, and then what we'll do is we'll just stand that
Oh.
salmon up a little bit and makes it look fancy. And
Wow.
now you have this beautiful lemon pear vinaigrette. So you're going to just drizzle some on the salad, and I actually would take some and drizzle it on the salmon.
Use a spoon?
Yeah, you can use a spoon. You see
And
how
on the
see how
salmon?
it's thick like that? That's
Yeah.
because of the emulsion. Yeah, on the salmon.
Don't chefs like just put a little on the
Oh,
side?
yeah.
Like, oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. And then you got to do a little, you do a brush stroke with it. Put a
Oh,
little there
oh.
and brush it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait. Did I do
that's
it?
perfect. So Kelly, you just cooked, with minimal help from me, a pan-seared king salmon
Wow.
with a quinoa pilaf, fresh baby greens, a pear and Meyer lemon vinaigrette with some fresh heirloom tomatoes and some sweet bell peppers.
Wow. Honestly,
job.
I can't believe it. Thank you so much, Ed.
You're welcome.
All right, thanks everyone for watching Cooking with Kelly. We'll be back probably in the next month. We'll be doing this regularly, cooking delicious food. So we'll see you then. That's good. It's really good.